home. It's the one place in the world where you feel the most comfortable, where you're totally in control. Everything is exactly the way you like it. You're free to dance like no one is watching. You feel safe to challenge yourself. You're surrounded by family and friends.
My Air Series 5 from Advantage Air makes home the ultimate comfort zone. And it starts with physical comfort. By zoning each room independently, everyone can adjust their room to exactly the temperature they like. And to keep your energy bills more comfortable, My Air Series 5 has motion sensors that automatically reduce the airflow to empty rooms. To make everyday life a little more comfortable, the control panel does double duty as an 8-inch tablet. It's wired to your home and never needs charging. From one central hub, you can check your email, the weather, or your calendar, Facebook while you cook, or have a Netflix binge, listen to the blues while you order your groceries. You can even download your lighting, security, or home automation apps and control them too. You know what else is comforting? Knowing My Air Series 5's components are made in Australia to withstand tough Australian conditions. And while you can take it easy, Advantage Air never will. We'll continue to innovate and find new ways to make your home the ultimate comfort zone.